Welcome back to our channel. I hope all are doing well. Today this video is about what are those 7 common barriers to self-love. Self-love is often described as a radiant force within us, empowering us to value ourselves unconditionally. However, it is unfortunate that many individuals find themselves at odds with this innate capacity for self-compassion. The barriers we face on our journey towards self-love take various forms, both external and internal. Recognizing obstacles and understanding how they affect us. With empathy and understanding, we can discover insights that will spark self-love. Negative self-talk and self-criticism. Negative self-talk and self-criticism, 2 tormenting companions we often unwittingly embrace on the path to self-love. We all have those internal whispers that whisper doubt, fear, and criticism in our ears. They creep up when we least expect it. Unseen yet influential, these barriers to self-love create a fortress around our hearts, stopping us from recognizing our true value. It is crucial to recognize this toxic pattern and break free from its grip. Let us challenge negativity with compassion. Perfectionism. The allure of perfectionism lies in its promise to solve all our problems. If only we can reach that elusive state, everything will fall into place magically. We agonize over every detail, tirelessly seeking flawlessness in every aspect of our lives, from our career achievements and relationships to our physical appearance and even how we present ourselves on social media. But herein lies the paradox: the relentless pursuit of perfection leads only to exhaustion and dissatisfaction. We set unrealistic expectations for ourselves. What if instead of striving for perfection, we focused on progress? What if our flaws became stepping stones towards personal growth? Think. Comparison to others. It is worth reminding ourselves time and time again, each person has their own path paved with ups and downs. No 2 journeys will ever look the same. By constantly comparing ourselves to others, we fail to recognize the unique beauty within us. Each person's journey is distinct, with different lessons learned and battles fought. But what if instead of succumbing to comparison, we celebrated individuality? What if we acknowledged that each step on our path has its own purpose and value? Self-love flourishes when comparison diminishes. It grants us permission to shine brightly in our own light. Past traumas and experiences. Our pasts are like chapters in a book, stories that have shaped us into who we are today. Some tales are filled with sunshine and laughter, while others leave us with wounds that linger long after the pages turn. These past traumas and experiences can be heavy barriers on our path to self-love. Experiences often cultivate deep-rooted insecurities that act as fierce barricades against self-love. Yet it is important to acknowledge that healing takes time. There is no predetermined timeline for recovery. Lack of self-care and self-compassion. Self-care should not be seen as an indulgence but a vital ingredient in maintaining a balance in our lives. It encompasses those moments where we allow ourselves space for restorative activities that refresh both body and soul. Whether it is soaking in a soothing bath after a long day or immersing ourselves in nature's gentle embrace, acts of self-care rejuvenate us from within. In a world that constantly demands our attention and energy, we often forget to prioritize ourselves. It is no surprise that many of us struggle with the concept of self-love when we neglect even the basic acts of self-care and compassion. To truly embrace self-love, we must first embark on a journey of rediscovery, finding those forgotten parts within us that have yearned for care and nurturing all along. This path requires acknowledging that you are worthy of time, rest, joy, and indulgence without guilt. External validation seeking. When we seek external validation, we put our self-worth into the hands of others, allowing their opinions to define us. We unconsciously undermine our own sense of self-love. So how can we break free from this barrier? It involves cultivating self-compassion and acknowledging that true fulfillment comes from within rather than relying on external sources. Fear of failure or rejection. The thing about fear is that it thrives in uncertainty. It feeds on our worries and what-ifs, convincing us that playing it safe is the better option. But what if I told you that embracing the possibility of failure could lead you closer to genuine self-love? Let's learn from failure and rejection instead of avoiding them. That's a wrap for today's video. Please like and hit the subscribe button.